Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer Google Photos to OneDrive. To transfer Google Photos to OneDrive, you could follow these steps. Now, there are different ways of doing it so some of the easiest way of doing it is in this following steps. So one way of doing it is by syncing your Google Photos to OneDrive in real time. So you need to have a closer look at how it works to sync Google Photos on OneDrive continuously in simple script. So first of all, you need to use this application or third-party system that is MultCloud. So sign up for MultCloud. Now before doing the operation, you need to create a MultCloud account. Then next thing you want to do is add Google Photos and OneDrive to MultCloud. So click on Add Cloud and add Google Photos and OneDrive to MultCloud. Once you've actually done it, next thing you need to add Google Photos and OneDrive too. Now before that, make sure to take a note that you're allowed to add only one cloud at one time. So you need to repeat the add cloud operation if you want to add more than one cloud. Once you add cloud drive to MultCloud, you can manage all cloud in one piece via MultCloud, and they will be listed under my online services on the left sidebar, and they will be listed under my services in the left hand side bar. Next thing you want to do is click on the cloud sync icon, change to real-time sync, and select Google Photos as a source and OneDrive as a destination. Then click on sync now to sync all the files from your Google Photos to OneDrive in a real time. After which you want to go ahead and sync all of that, and this way you should have successfully transferred Google Photos to OneDrive. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.